What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a ton of things to talk about AMC, especially right now. AMC, it's finally going up a little bit, which is pretty nice. Yesterday AMC went up about 25%. Pretty crazy if you ask me. Now, before we dive into deeper into AMC, make sure you guys check out the private Discord server, guys. Link in the description below. It's free until August 1st. Cancel anytime because August 1st is a charge day and there's this massive free trial. Okay, so a lot of these trades on our private Discord server is pretty amazing. For example, Disney calls that made like 100%, new egg calls made up 400, 500%, space calls that made like almost 50%. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. Trade with us, make some money with us. Okay, let's get back to the main topic of the video. So a lot of people have been saying that AMC is a pretty bad stock. I think the majority of Wall Street analysts and also news agencies usually report on the negative aspects about AMC. But recently, I have been seeing a small uptick in good news about AMC, which is pretty rare because 2 weeks ago, I could probably tell you that no analyst out there and probably nobody in the news agency is probably going to say some good things about AMC. It was all negative stuff, but now we're seeing a small uptick in good news. And I feel like that's because a lot of people start seeing the fundamentals of AMC. And the reason why I think yesterday AMC went up so much was because in the past few trading days, AMC tanked like a rock from $60 down to $34. But here's the thing, 4 times in a row, here, second here, third here, and fourth here, AMC dropped to $34 and it refused to drop down any further. And every time it hits 34, it bounces right back up. Hits 34, bounces right back up. And because of this, most investors are believing that AMC is actually worth $34. Short squeeze, apes aside, AMC, fundamentally speaking, is probably worth $34 a share. And that's because of a lot of new renovations going on for AMC, AMC paying off debts. AMC might even offer dividends in the future because they're trying to pay off their debt as quickly as possible. Because of all this stuff, we are getting a lot of analysts and also news stuff out there saying how AMC stock might be worth $73 next year. And that's big. And the only way for that to happen, according to this, is the free cash flow. That's it. No short squeeze, nothing else, just the free cash flow. And that's pretty wild because there's a lot of other factors in AMC, including the FTDs, the failure to delivers, the short interest of free floats, and also the amount of hedge funds that are buying into AMC. The amount of hedge funds buying into AMC is absolutely crazy high. And there's a lot of small hedge funds. Not all hedge funds are bad and are shorting AMC. In fact, majority of hedge funds, especially the small ones, are betting big on AMC. For example, Cutler Group spent $12.6 million not on shares, straight up buying options, call options for AMC. And like I said before, the free cash flow is super important because if AMC is owning a bunch of debt, no cash on their hands, it doesn't look pretty good. Even Jefferies, a really big institution in the financial industry, even said that AMC is becoming a pretty good company, not because of moviegoers going to AMC, but because AMC is actually paying off its debt. That $600 million they owe to Silver Lake no longer exists. That's awesome. AMC did 2 major stock dilutions and raised $587 million in capital, which they're actually using to lease and buy other movie theaters. Adam Aron's actually expanding their operation as far as they can. It's pretty awesome. And Adam Aron is also adding in new things to AMC, including AMC for the first time ever, adding in sports like UFC. That's pretty wild here. And the attendance records are rising for AMC. It almost feels like AMC just went from like this boring movie theater to something a lot more exciting because when AMC becomes so popular in the stock industry, I think that affects everything because now AMC is almost looked as a really unique experience. They might even start doing esports, TV shows, and continue with more sports. And AMC might be trying to transition themselves from just a normal movie theater to maybe something like an entertainment industry, a leisure company, maybe someone to just chill, relax, watch some sports with buddies, something like that. Somewhere to hang out instead of just watching 1 or 2 movies. Also, we do see AMC doing some pretty wild stuff. You do have massive price fluctuations, and now it's finally going up. And because of this and also all this cash flow and all stuff like that, I think AMC is really primed to succeed. Now, word from our sponsor, definitely check out Moomoo. Link in the description below. Click on it, make a Moomoo account, deposit $100 and get 2 free stocks. 5,000 or more to get 2 more free stocks. This is literally free money. I don't know why people want to do this, but hey, I did it. I got 2 Wells Fargo stock. I'm pretty happy about it. It's free cash. Why not check them out? And by the way, AMC is also getting a ton of popularity. People seem to like AMC a lot, and AMC is always consistently ranking number 1, number 2 on fidelity orders by customers. It's also pretty much the number 1 most searched up stock on Google Trends, and the amount of love coming from AMC is incredible. Because Adam Aron isn't just pretty much expanding AMC, but he also acknowledges and respects the retail traders, because pretty much 90% of the free flow at this point is owned by AMC apes. A few months ago, Adam Aron said it's 80%. I'm guessing it's 90% right now. And AMC is actually primed to succeed. And just the mere fact that we also have even like a robot, a benchmark beating robot, not just some random AI guy, okay, says that AMC will be outperforming Facebook and GameStop. Okay, this is an artificial intelligence driven fund, AMOM, go check them out. And essentially they sold off a lot of stocks like Home Depot, Walmart, Facebook, Texas Instruments, Adobe. And guess what they use that money for? To buy AMC. Because AMC is heavily owned by retail traders. But what's really interesting is AMC is owned by retail traders, and retail traders just simply don't sell. It's kind of weird because if you check out Fidelity, buy orders are always outnumbered to sell orders. And pretty much this is like the closest you'll ever get from the buy and sell orders. It's almost like 50-50, but usually it's outnumbered by 1.5 or 2 to 1. That's the amount of people buying. A lot of people are going heavy into AMC. And recently, we have been seeing a decent amount of hedge funds going to AMC. If you check out some of the order flow, the inflow is the amount of buy orders, the outflow is the amount of sell orders. Look at the amount of buy orders, okay? The small, medium, and large orders are mostly outflows, which is a little bit odd, but the extra large orders is something completely different, okay? The extra large orders, the inflow outnumbers the outflow 4 to 1 or 5 to 1. That's how popular it is. And the reason I'm saying this, hedge funds are probably going in. Hedge funds are probably covering AMC. Something is definitely up. Something really fishy is happening to AMC. And I'd probably make a whole separate video about it because the inflow and outflow, this weird ratio that's going on, especially in the extra large order category, because retail traders do not have millions of dollars to trade. Okay, retail traders have a few thousand, maybe 10,000, 20,000. But the mere fact that the retail traders have a few $1,000,000 to trade is very slim. Virtually no one has that money. So usually extra large orders are hedge funds, and hedge funds for some reason had huge amount of inflows in the past day of trading. So that's really odd. But nevertheless though, thanks for watching guys. Comment below. Once again, make sure you guys check out the private Discord server. A lot of really incredible stuff. And make sure to check out BlockFi, link in the description below. Click on it, make a BlockFi account, deposit some money, and get to $250 worth of Bitcoin. See you guys later. And hey, AMC seems to be doing pretty good, a massive increase, and they are, a pretty decent company in my opinion. The fundamentals are improving, and things are looking pretty sweet.